Today the topic is about freedom fighter Mahatma Gandhi and the independence struggle. Introduction to Mahatma Gandhi's life. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, universally received as Mahatma, the Great Soul, and formally recognized as the father of the nation, was a central architect of India's anti-colonial freedom movement. His philosophical doctrines revolutionized socio-political resistance paradigms worldwide by replacing armed rebellion with the radical principles of unwavering truth, satyagraha, and active non-violence, ahimsa. October 2, 1869, born in Porbandar, a coastal town in Gujarat, British India. His parents was Karamchand Gandhi, the Diwan, Chief Minister of Porbandar State, and Putli Bai, a deeply devout religious woman whose spiritual discipline profoundly shaped Gandhi's moral foundation. 1883, married Kasturba Pandidya is a arranged child marriage at the age of 13. She later became an active leader and foundational partner for his political struggles. Early education and legal training. Gandhi received his foundational primary and secondary schooling in Porbandar and Rajkot, navigating his early academic years as the average deeply reserved student. However, his pursuit of professional higher education took him across borders, initiating his transformation into a cross-cultural legal advocate. Matriculation and local higher education. Completely his matriculation exams from his Samaldas College in Bhavnagar, Gujarat in 1888. Seeking broader horizons, his family supported a move to England to pursue a career in law. Legal education in London, 1888 to 1891. Traveled to London, England to study the law in Inner Temple, one of the four prestigious inns of court. During this crucial period, he strictly maintained his vow of vegetarianism and deep moral asceticism, while simultaneously absorbing Western legal philosophies and political structures and civil. He was formally called at the bar in June 1891. The South African Empany in 1893 to 1914. After an unsuccessful attempt to establish a legal practice in the Bombay, Gandhi accepted the one-year legal contract with an Indian film in South Africa. It was here, facing several racial discrimination and being possibly educated, he is from a first-class train compartment at his political conscience was in Grenada. He spent 21 years in South Africa developing his course philosophy of Satyagraha to protect the civil rights of Indian immigrant community. Mark the independence era. Gandhi's return. Gandhi returned to India permanently on January 9 to 1915, now celebrated nationally as Paravasi Bharatiya Divas at the request of veteran nationalist leader Gopalakrishna Gokhale, whom Gandhiji regarded as his political mentor. Gokhale advised him to spend his first year traveling extensively across the subcontinent by rail to fully understand the ground realities, economic struggles, and social landscape of Indian masses before entering active political campaigns. By shifting the freedom movement out of urban, elite legal council chambers and directly into the heart of rural peasant communities, Gandhi transferred the Indian National Congress (INC) into true mass movement. Nature of the independence struggle. The Gandhian approach to the independence struggle was defined by a unique combination of moral courage, tactical patience, and strategic mass mobilization. It rests upon three fundamental pillars: ahimsa, active non-violence, not mere pace cowardice, but the active refinement of moral force that refuses the return physical injury, thereby neutralizing the movement moral legitimacy of offensive adversary. Satyagraha, truth force, pers- persistent and unyielding adherence to truth through civil non-cooperation, peaceful strikes, and the willful, dignified acceptance of imprisonment to awaken the conscience of the oppressor. Sarvodaya, universal upliftment. The firm brief belief that political freedom from British rule was meaningless without intentional social purification, including the absolute eradication of untouchability and the promotion of Hindu-Muslim unity and rural economic self-reliance of via hand-spun cloth khadi. Early regional success, the testing grounds. Champanian Satyagraha, 1917. Gandhi's first major civil discovery movement in India. He successfully championed his cause of impoverished peasants in Bihar who were being forced by British patrons to cultivate indigo under the highly exploitative economic terms. Khida Satyagraha, 1918, directed alongside Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, organizing peasants in Gujarat to demand a complete withdrawal of land revenue taxes following a catastrophic crop failure. Ahmedabad Mill Strike, 1918, led a successful hunger strike to support textile mill workers demanding a critical cost of living wage increase, establishing the efficacy of non-violent pressure in industrial disputes. Major mass movements in the independence struggle. As the colonial government represses policies such as Draconian Rocket Act and the brutal Jallianwala Bagh massacres of 1919, Gandhi launched three nationwide, highly coordinated mass movements that fundamentally shocked the foundations of British Empire. Movement name Non-Cooperation Movement (NCM) and Khilafat Aggregation 1990, 1920 to 1922, launched to protest the colonial and support the present issue of Ottoman Caliphate. It is called as systematic nationwide boycott of British government institutions, courts, titles, schools, and improved cloth. Outcome: paralyzed colonial administration and united communities at the unprecedented scale. Gandhi abruptly called off movement in February 1922 following the Chauri Chaura incident when an angry mob turned violent and burned a police station, demonstrating his absolute refusal to compromise and non-violence. Civil disobedience movement, the Salt Satyagraha 1930 to 1934, initiated by historic Dandi March, March 12 to April 6, 1930, Gandhi along with 78 chosen volunteers walked 241 miles from Sabarmati Ashramam to coastal villages of Dandi, deliberately violence of British state monopoly of salt production. Outcome: triggered a massive wave of civil across India, leading to over 60,000 political arrests. This immense international pressure forced British authorities to hold on the round table conference to discuss constitutional adjustments. Quit India movement. August Kranti 1942, launched amidst the geopolitical instability of World War II during the All India Congress Committee session in Bombay. Gandhi delivered his famous uncompromising historic rally cry, "Do or die, Karo ya Maro," demanding an immediate orderly British exit from India's soil. Outcome: despite the immediate arrest of entire social Congress leadership within hours, the movement sparked widespread underground resistance and public strikes, signaling to the British command and holding India force was no longer sustainable. The path of freedom and partition relatives. Following the conclusion of World War II, economic exhaustion and intense domestic resistance forced the Bihar administration to grant India full independence on August 15, 1947. However, the historic triumph was deeply overshadowed by the painful, violent partition subcontinent into India and Pakistan, which triggered catastrophic commercial riots. While celebrations filled New Delhi, Gandhi absent himself entirely from the official independence ceremonies. Instead, he traveled on foot through the riot-torn villages of Neonkhali, now in Bangladesh, and Calcutta, understanding hazardous open-ended fast to restore peace, protect minority communities, and heal the fractured social fabric. The death of Mahatma Gandhi. On the evening of January 30, 1948, Mahatma Gandhi was walking to a daily public prayer meeting at Birla House in New Delhi. Naratram Godse, a radical Hindu nationalist who unhesitatingly opposed Gandhi's philosophy of communicational and his position to post-partition financial allocations to Pakistan, stepped from the crowd and fired 3 bullets into Gandhi's chest at point-blank range. The final words and legacy. As he collapsed, Gandhi reportedly uttered his final words, Hey Ram, O God, leaving a profound legacy of peace and reconciliation. Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru announced his tragic passing to world via historic radio and broadcast. Gandhi's Gandhi's body was cremated at Rajghat on the banks of Yamuna River, which now stands on National Memorial. His philosophical concepts left on indelible mark on global history, directly inspiring the later civil rights movements led by icons such as Martin Luther King Jr. in United States and Nelson Mandela in South Africa. Core Examination Study Guide, Philosophical Foundation, Satyagraha, Truth Force versus Durgraha, Suborn President's Boards as Force. Key publications, edited influential weekly journalists including Young India, Navajivan and Harijan, author of seminal text Hind Swaraj 1909 and his autobiography, The Story of My Experiments with Truth. Key Pact to Remember, the Purna Pact 1932, signed between Gandhi and Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, establishing reserved legislative seats to the depressed classes within a unfilled electorate. Thank you.